Here's how to talk about what you saw in Igbo using three simple structures. Number one, ahụrụ m dash ụnyaahụ. I saw dash yesterday. Ahụrụ m gị ụnyaahụ. I saw you yesterday. Ahụrụ m ozi gị ụnyaahụ. I saw your message yesterday. Ahụrụ m Ada ụnyaahụ. I saw Ada yesterday. 2. Ị hụrụ dash ụnyaahụ. Did you see dash yesterday? Ị hụrụ m ụnyaahụ. Did you see me yesterday? Ị hụrụ ozi m ụnyaahụ. Did you see my message yesterday? Ị hụrụ Ada ụnyaahụ. Did you see Ada yesterday? And our third one is Gịnị ka ị hụrụ ụnyaahụ? What did you see yesterday? Gịnị ka ị hụrụ ụnyaahụ? And to answer this, we'll come back to number one. Ahụrụ m dash ụnyaahụ. Ahụrụ m gị. Ahụrụ m ozi gị. Ahụrụ m Ada. And you know you can replace any of these three with any other options. You can check the caption. I left a list there. Quick question. If someone said to you, Ị hụrụ m ụnyaahụ, did you see me yesterday? How would you say, no, I did not see you yesterday? Leave in a comment, and as always, come back tomorrow for more.